Button block. Clean, modern buttons that turn casual browsing into real clicks. Match your brand exactly. Pick a gradient, round the corners, and drop in a soft shadow. No CSS needed. Drop in an icon from the library, then add a hover tooltip so visitors know exactly what happens next. Pick any size, stretch it full width, and one click flips a flat button into a raised 3D one. Choose from 15 entry animations, fade, flip, or zoom it in, at your own speed. Flip one switch and that same button instantly hands your visitor the exact file you want them to download. Or turn that click into a pop-up, an image, a video, even a document right over your page, no new tab needed. Or lock it behind a login, a password, or a verified email address. You choose exactly who gets in. Button block is free on WordPress.org with pro unlocking pop-ups and access control.